I have my partner in crime today. For those of you who know, he works on the road and he's usually slow on rainy days. So Ivan's helping me drive today. We are headed to a new home builder out in Justin, Texas, which is right outside of Fort Worth, close to Haslam. We have about an hour and 10 minutes now before we arrive there. So I'm so happy Ivan stayed home so he can drive, and I'm gonna do some work in the passenger seat while he does that. Again, he didn't leave a name or anything. So we are here. Again, this new builder is in Justin, Texas. They have several builders out here right now, actually, but this is more on the affordable side, or what people deem more affordable. Oh, look, they're building an amenity center. Nice. Excited to be out here with my clients. Catch up with you guys soon.
They will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything, everything. When you put it out there and it's pure, can't ask for anything more, anything more. Want to do this for you wholeheartedly. They will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything, everything. Can't really be enticed, although it's very nice. In my space I feel most comfortable. Choose what you like, choose your people, choose your time, choose to be vibrant, choose to feel yourself, choose to transcend, choose to be your own friend. Yeah, they will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything, everything, everything. They will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything. everything, everything. They will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything, everything.
All right, guys, we are finally done with the new builder and my client. It has been a long day. Our appointment with the builder was at 12:30 p.m. and we just got done at around 6:30 p.m. The good news is that my clients went ahead and picked the house today. They found the one that was perfect for them and their needs, and they signed a contract. And because it is a new construction home, you know, we don't have to make an offer or anything like that. They just signed the contract, made a deposit, and their house is now officially under contract. So I'm so excited for them. Although it was a lengthy all-day process, I'm excited for them because we did have to kind of do like process of elimination. We toured several houses and then toured them again. So we know process of elimination. We saw maybe about 6 or 7 first, and then they picked their top 3, and then we went back, and then they're like, yeah, this is the floor plan we want. So then they had to pick their lot, and then it came down to the color of the bricks on each individual house. So we got it all figured out. They're under contract, set to close either end of July, early June. Set to close either end of May or early June. Super excited for them. Super excited. And my assistant powered through. He powered through all day. Good job, honey.
Thank
you.
He
held it down all day. He took videos while I was with the client. So I'll be adding some clips of what houses we toured. Was just a model home, really, because it was a lot that it wasn't even that much. It just felt like a lot because we're there for a while at each house. But we didn't record them because, of course, we're trying to provide excellent customer service and just really focus on our clients. Yeah, we stopped at Chick-fil-A real quick to eat something because we were starving. Luckily, we had breakfast before we came this way this morning. If not, we would have died. Ivan was shook at...
I was. How long? She does it without eating, man.
Yeah, he's like, how do you
power through?
Yeah, he's like, how do you power through? He's like, this is crazy. And I'm like, you know, when I'm in work mode, you just don't feel it. So, and we had a whole day plan. We're like, we're gonna be done. I thought we would be done around 1:30, maybe 2. And I'm like, we're gonna go get our hard drive, get this. Like, we had a whole day planned, and all of that just went out the window because our clients, you know, and I'm grateful, I'm not complaining because at least they picked the house today. Although we were there for hours, it went by super fast because we were touring different houses and, you know, pros and cons and stuff like that. So it went by really fast in the moment, but now we're like, yeah, we're done for the day. We're done. And I am so happy for my clients. You know, I'm like, I don't care showing as long as somebody actually buys, and they did. So here we are. We will see you guys later. I don't know, I think we're heading home, but if anything changes, then
we'll bring y'all along.
Say that again.
We'll bring y'all along.